Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Kumba long lem hagajala baro kaway karibhoy district ru mentak sngi kalapenlong ika program kerpang ha district library hall ban rakhe kajing dap sunflies nem kajing yai linti jong kajala Meghalaya nadu bakayo ika jala bapura haka arphoi tarik ukala lingkot jong usnam shaja khanai spa nyopuat hagani kajing rakhe lawan banedan ringkat du Dr. Celestine lingdo MLA jong ka umsning constituency kumukongsan hagajing dan ringkat jong Abhilash Baranwal Deputy Commissioner karibhoy district Kakong Balakanti Urani, Bat Raja Brahma, Kibadei ki Additional Deputy Commissioner Karibhai District, Uba Banshan Khargungor Assistant Professor ke Union Christian College, Umbir, Nalor ki Wiki ki Officer, ki Nongtrai Sorkar, Bat ki Riupa Khmat Kathan. Haba Ajingkran akan negasi U Dr. Celestine Lingdo Ulapan Pau ke Jing Ngokmen, Bakum ke Jela kala yo ban kenjo ya Kakarta ke Basan Pulais Nem, Lenter, Bat kum ki Pat Ba Nong Shong Shnong, Ngide Ban Shat Kemen Halor Uni Umau Mer, Ubakum ke Jela kala kenjo. Ulang ruk bajin Lada ke Meghalaya kadang hap hapo ke Jela Assam, nginum nang ban Kren Phareng, Kumba nang Mynta, namar hakiskul ke Jela Assam, la penenkam tang daga ketien Assamese. Uleh thuru bahaba ui kendu iki paralok na ke Jela Assam, lain no kidu ki balet hakiskul bahikai daga ketien Phareng, ki juyaro iki brio ke Jela Meghalaya, halor ke jingnang ke jongki ban Kren Phareng, wat Lada kimnang tiak-tiak ru, Henry tang ban yasungut hu. U Dr. Celestine Lingdo ulaong bagani ke jinghap ke jongi banang Kren Phareng kedai namar ke jing pher ketien hapdeng ki jat benriu ke Jela dak ba ainuksa bagan shem jing ki khasi ban sngoth ya ketien garo bat kani ke penlong yangi bangi hap banang ya ki weipat ki ketien la kedai Hindi ne Phareng ban ya Kren sngoth shu na kaliang U Dr. Celestine Lingdo ula buru ke jing kerpat ya baro ki officer ki nongtrai sorkar bakin poi biang por syaka jakat rekam ke jongki Bat bakin tray bat pendap hok ialah ka kamram kumbala siu tulop yaki dak bakentu kerpang ru yaki officer baki dei ban la ban yo yaki jingkela baki la ban wanra ha ke imlang ka salang ha ka jaka ke baki ladap ban tray kenang baka jela bat karihi barok ka wei kan kieu syaprang ha barok kiliang ha ka ni kesngi la yo ru yaki jingkran nu Abhilash Baranwal Deputy Commissioner Karibhoy District kejing batai lingkot halor kejing yai linti jong ka jela Meghalaya ya ka bala ai de uba banshan Khargungor Assistant Professor ke UCC Umbir kajing ruai naga samla kan tiulin mau pnyang bat kajing shat jong karat khat ar lingdo nalor kajing sam yaki khusnam shakinong job kibala job ha kajing yakop mare marathon na dulong nar sha indoor stadium umling kedat kibala dap ban penlong hane ka step
The second prize goes to Alicia Simply from Mynta. Alicia, huge round of applause for Alicia. And the third prize.
Our forefathers wanted a separate state. We got it. We want our culture and identity to survive. We are on the job. Had it been that Meghalaya is still under Assam, I think none of us will be able to speak English fluently like the way we can do now, because the medium of communication in schools will be in Assamese. Whenever I meet friends from Assam, except for those who go for English medium schools, most of them, they really appreciate people coming from Meghalaya. Be it Garo Hills, Khas Hills, Chanka Hills, all of us can speak, if not very fluent, at least a working knowledge of English. This is because even if I have to speak with my Garo friends, I have no alternative. Either I go with Hindi or I go with English. It makes the communication gap between our tribes so difficult to understand each other that we are bound to learn the second language, which is common. So the issue in front of us now is, should we dance today? Should we rejoice? Should we smile? I say yes. Has development come to the state of Meghalaya? Yes. A few years back we didn't have 4-lane, now we have the 4-lane. Just the other day there was a truck that got spoiled just in Sumer, and I was told that many were stuck for about 2 hours on the road. Imagine if this 4-lane was not there, and on a daily basis we have to commute on a two-lane, I think life would be put to the test. But thank God, development has come in all spheres. The question is, has it come to our satisfaction? The answer will be no. We have a long way to go to improve. We have a long way to dedicate our time and our capabilities to change the lives of our people in the state. If our DC asked me, Doctor, what would be that one thing that you would like to change on this statehood day? My answer will be, let us change our work culture. He has started it by mentioning that we should do something with the responsibilities that we have. Same is for us who are employed in the government offices also. I would urge the deputy commissioners, at least if not in whole of the state, at least in Ribhoi district, let us make it a point. I don't know what is the working hours. Should they report at 10? That is the norm. No? The question that we have to ask ourselves is, do I reach my office at 10? If we have to change the shape and future of Meghalaya, it depends on how all of us use our time. How laborers use their time to give their labor for the payment that they get, and how we as officers dedicate our time for the salary that we were entitled to get.
Principles, I believe that we can all, these grounding principles can also guide us how to move forward. Being in Meghalaya, people have distinctive strengths. I believe that sports, music, communication skills, etc., are something which are extremely, people in Meghalaya are extremely blessed with. In this Meghalaya day, as I can see that most of us are public servants over here, we can take a solid resolve for ourselves that we will be more proactive in our duties. We should always remind ourselves of the opportunity that we have been blessed with. That while doing our job, we can also develop this state, we can also help the people. I believe that we can all take home this message today on this Meghalaya Day, that this is our state, that whatever we do is going to be a reflection of our state and will impact the people of our state and the state in general. Simultaneously, we have a big responsibility as well. All the vision, all the aim and the goals with which the state came to be, they have not really been truly realized so far, and it's something which is in progress. I, being the Deputy Commissioner and being part of this government camp, and having been part of different government meetings, I can tell you that the government of Meghalaya as of now is going ahead with a very distinct vision of how to take Meghalaya to one of the top 10 states of the country within the next 8 years. By 2032, the target is for Meghalaya to become one of the top 10 states of India. While as of now, we are probably in the bottom 5.